Take the first exaggerative step. Like make that step like really exaggerative. Yeah, and throw your bag back. So instead of going both forward, switch it up. Yeah, there you go. What is up, you guys? It is your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Today we have a nice little shoot. I don't necessarily know what to call this. I don't know if it's a city or whatever, but it's gonna be outdoor. I'm gonna call it an outdoor shoot. Today we have the lovely
Biggest storm.
You guys already know the vibe. We're gonna put her Instagram above her head as well as down below in the comments, man. She hit me up for some ideas. She was like, you know what? I really want to recreate this, and I feel like you're the right guy for the job. And I was like, you know what? Let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it. So we came together and we're about to make some magic. We're about to see how the day goes. I'm gonna try to show you guys as much behind the scenes as I can as we continue, as we go on. I'm gonna try to make a few reels and things of that nature. So stay tuned on our Instagrams, The Biggest Storm and Taxi PNG. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. What is up, you guys? This is a mic check right now. What is up? I'm gonna show you guys how you guys look right now. This is what you guys are on. Yeah, right? Boom, big shit, you know what I'm saying? But little mic check right now. I'm about to go and do a photo shoot. Somebody that I met on the internet, LOL. But nah, what happened was some of my homeboys from high school basically linked her with me. So like, yeah, so let's see how this is about to go today. I love you guys. I'm gonna keep y'all in touch. I'm about to head there. I already think I showed y'all my bag and what I got packed. It's a collab shoot, so I'm not bringing all the extra extravagant shit. I'm gonna try to do a raw shoot with natural flash, and I mean with natural light and stuff like that. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna bring my wide lens and play with that as well. And yeah, let's get it. On the way there now. Yeah, it's a 30-minute drive, so we'll see. I'm about to eat while I drive and shit like that, and then try to like vibe out to some music, see what I could play. I don't know what I feel like listening to right now. I don't even feel like doing this shoot. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Y'all know I'm trying to be as open and like honest as I can with this channel, man. I don't want to flag with y'all. I don't want to tell no lies to y'all. I tell y'all the truth. I don't feel like doing it right now, man. I want to edit. Sometimes I don't want to edit. Sometimes I do want to edit. And today I just feel like cranking out videos for y'all. Just pull it up to the location, you guys. This is it right here. I'm trying to see right now whether like she's trying to be closer to on the side or if I should try to park up front or what. Let me see. I'm trying to see where like that front part is that they have all this stuff at. I guess I'm gonna just park in the front. I'm gonna try to find like a little oh, they got electric charging over here. Oh, but they only got it for like that one car, I guess. Electric vehicle parking. I'm trying to park in the shade, but I'm gonna park right here. If you know Taxi, you know he gonna park in the shade, bro. One thing about him, he gonna park in the shade because my AC don't work. So I want to get back in a cool car, you know what I'm saying? I want to get back in a car that's cool, you know what I mean? I don't want to get back in no hot bucket, bitch, you know what I'm saying? But we about to go ahead and get everything out the car right now and head on up there and see what the vibes are. I'm gonna try to get y'all 2 angles today. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna have some fun. She said she's taking some pics by herself right now. I just got 2 big ass tripods in my hand. But this looks cool, like very nice, geometrical. Like I'm loving. I got a professional camera, so I hope I don't get yelled at. But I'm definitely not going inside. See. What's up? So you wanna do it right here? Let's see what's on the side. Hello. I mean, but it hasn't been like, it's been graduation.
What would you say like you're supposed to see? Your favorite type of shooting?
Oh, I mean nature, definitely. Like out in the open, yeah. Okay, so like let's start off like I guess kind of like in the middle then, like where that little patch of light is, yeah. All right, I'm gonna have one of you guys right here on the side, and then I'm gonna have the other one over here, so y'all can see both angles of what we got going on here today. I never give y'all multiple angles, so I'm trying today. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I was going, you know what I'm saying, do a little something different. All right, let's see what we got. I'm gonna do a few test shots real quick, just play around with it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Look kind of like that direction. Let's try to see, like, yeah, look that way. I got my F at 5.6, you guys. My shutter speed at 250. I'm trying to like play around with it and see what we can do. I'm trying to go up a little bit more on shutter speed. I'm trying to play with the colors and like also try to get not too dark of something. Let's see. Okay. All right. Yeah, come forward a little bit more. Cause it's gonna like put a little bit more of the tree in the background. Come forward more. And make sure you guys can see it too. Multiple angles, there we go. Yeah, there we go, yep. Kind of widen your stance a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. And like exaggerate the pop to the side. So like exaggerate it. Yeah, there we go, yep, boom, there we go. Yep. There we go. Left hand like on your like glasses a little bit. Yep, and look the same direction, yep, there we go. Hold it. There we go. And then like when you pop back to the side, pop in. So do it again. So like, yeah, do it again. And now pop in. There you go. Yep. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, so as you guys can see on the screen, I'm gonna pop up the picture so you guys can see. I'm using the lines of symmetrics right now, and then I also have my rule of thirds, so she's in the middle, but then I also have a lot of different leading lines leading to her, so I'm trying my hardest to keep her in the middle to be able to show that off. So I'm gonna show her the pictures right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now I wanna kinda do one where it's like, try to think. I'm gonna do something in motion. I'm gonna try to catch you like in motion. So like, you could be like mindlessly walking on some shit. So like, you're not like, you don't gotta be like, I feel like you get what I'm saying. But like, you're like, just like, you know what I'm saying? Like really like with it.
Loose?
Yeah, real, like really loose. Like extra loose, but keep your face there. You know what I mean? So just be like, you know what I'm saying? But like, yeah. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. One more time. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Take the first exaggerative step. Like make that step like really exaggerative.
Forward?
Yeah,
Forward,
and
like
throw
that?
your bag back.
Okay.
So instead of going both forward, switch it up. Yeah, there you go. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. One more time, and I'm gonna have you do it right here. Like I'm trying to catch you in the middle. So like there, and then just go back, and then there, and then just go back. Okay. I'm gonna tell you when. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. One more. 3, 2, 1. There we go. So we're doing another take of that same exact one, but now I want to kind of get it for reals. So we're gonna see how this goes. We're just kind of like, you know what I'm saying?
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. I heard that. Put bowls on her.